Alrighty, in this one we're gonna go over how to draw a canary. So there's a lot of cool bird videos coming up. So canaries are really cool. My grandmother has one. Really amazing looking birds. This is a beginner lesson, okay? So if you're completely new at drawing, you're gonna be able to draw this. So let's get started, okay? All right, let's go over how to draw this canary. All right, gonna go over here, draw a line there for the top of the beak, and a line down here for the bottom of the beak. It's almost like a cone. And then curve here. It looks literally like a cone. Okay. Straight line through the middle of that cone with the top being a little bit bigger. It says that 90% of you are not subscribed who watch this channel, so absolutely hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification if you like learning how to draw. I post 3 lessons every single day. So you can kind of see that thumbnail on your feed when you do that. Make this the lesson that you subscribe in. Gonna go over here to the front. Curve line here for the front of the head. Back over here, down. Line extended here for the back. I said these birds are cool. Like they move a lot. Because I think when because we're drawing a parakeet as well, right? In another lesson. Like parakeets will just chill out and hang out. These birds like always move. These birds are always moving. These canaries. Go over here. And so, okay, so we're gonna go over here, and I'm gonna start with the wing, and I'm gonna just curve and then pull back to the edge of that line that I drew there. Down. Out. Curve. Underneath. All right. You have this body formation so far, this body the way it is. And we're gonna go over here and we're gonna draw a dot here for the eye. A little bit of feathers here, like I'm just doing these little curve shapes for some feathers, for some texture. And I'm gonna go over here, curve, for some feathers down here. Same thing, these small curves, and they're almost always at the kind of end of the wing. Right here, maybe a little longer. Line. For the one leg, you can really see the leg come out. Down. And we're gonna draw the feet right here. See, like a little stick, and a little stick, another little stick. All right. Down here, same thing. It's almost like the leg goes back and then it goes back the other direction. Same thing with the feet on that side. So right now it looks too much like a baby chick, okay? So we gotta make him look like an adult. And so we're gonna give him a line underneath here for the tail, and line underneath here like so. Curve. On that side, out over here, curve for the far side wing on that one. All right. And we could call it finished as is, but I would say like something that would be kind of cool, that you could maybe draw like a branch. I'm not gonna do that. But you could draw more of these little textures, right? These little curved lines. Don't put them everywhere, right? Because with a marker like this, it's gonna make it too complex, and you don't want to do that. What you want to do is you want to like keep it, you know, chill and friendly, and you know, just kind of like over here a little bit. Sparse is like the biggest thing, you know. sparse. Right on. All right, and I guess, you know, we are gonna give him a little branch. Why not? I mean, his feet are flat, but he's gonna be standing flat on this branch because it does give it a little bit of a more character, right? Don't forget to hit the like button, by the way, if you want to see more different birds. I kind of want to go over... I'm gonna keep drawing a branch out this way, by the way. I like to make playlists and complete those playlists. For example, I'm doing a flower drawing playlist. So we got the branch, let's put a leaf on the outside of that, on the far end. Like a dinosaur playlist, and I want to fill up the bird playlist, right? Maybe I already have, like, I think an eagle one, but I'm gonna do a better one. Maybe different types of birds would be in one playlist, because I'm seeing, it's weird, you wouldn't think people want to sometimes, but people do, you know? Like, I'm too busy drawing, like, I was drawing Among Us for like a year, and then it's now it's like Sonic, which I still will have all that stuff, but some people also want some of this basic stuff, like, you know, like birds and stuff like that, these really, you know, core things. Flowers, I noticed, I was really surprised how much the flowers one got. So, you know, I'm just gonna, like I said, go through a lot of basic drawing as well. So there you go, that really completes the image there. But thank you so much, I appreciate it. If you do like my artwork and you like my teaching, go check out my full lessons. Otherwise, go check out sketchingeasy.com. That is a website I'm working on right now. It's not quite done yet, but I'll really push it when it's done. But I want to put a lot of stuff on there. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners.
The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.